Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I cover on the 3 safety net to ensure financial stability, which are namely CPF, insurance and investment. So in today's topic, we'll cover on the CPF cash top up and CPF transfer to your own accounts and other related information. Without further ado, let's dive in. So CPF cash top ups. So who can you make a cash top up to? So basically, we can actually make a cash top up to yourself and your loved ones. And you can receive up to $8,000 tax relief when you make a cash top up to yourself. And another $8,000 when you make a cash top up to your loved ones, which are namely your parents, parents-in-law, grandparents, grandparents-in-law, spouse and siblings in each calendar year. And the amount of the top up depends on your loved ones can receive, and the tax relief you can receive depends on your recipient's age and the CPF balances. And tax relief only applies to givers and not recipients. So example, if you are topping up to your wife, your spouse, you will receive the cash relief, but not your recipient who is receiving it. Okay, so you can also make a cash top up to your employees as well if you are a business owner. So to boost your employees' retirement savings by making cash top up on your employees' behalf. So by doing so, you'll benefit for dollar tax reductions, while your employees may enjoy tax relief of up to $8,000. You can also make a CPF cash top up to another CPF member, example your friends or other relatives, to help them to grow the savings and so that they can enjoy higher payouts in retirement. But do note that such top ups are not eligible for tax relief. Okay, so as mentioned in the first slide, right, tax relief is eligible if you top up to yourself and your loved ones. If you were to top up your cash top ups to your children, they're actually not eligible for tax relief. Okay, yeah, just want to take note over here. So how about CPF transfers? Who can you make a CPF transfer to? So beside cash top up, you can also transfer your CPF savings to yourself and your loved ones to boost your own or their retirement accounts. So do note that CPF transfer do not qualify for tax relief. So the rationale here is because the money is already in your CPF account, okay, and you do an internal transfer, we call this internal transfer, you do not qualify for any tax relief. Okay, so for yourself, if you do a cash or you do a CPF top up, you can transfer your ordinary account savings to your special account savings if you are below 55 years old. Okay, so how much you can transfer depends on your age and CPF balances. Alright, and over here to take note that your CPF SA savings will be transferred first, followed by your OA savings. Okay, this is for people with a retirement account. Okay, how about topping up to your loved ones? So before transferring your CPF savings to your loved ones, you have to set aside enough for your own retirement. Okay, is to protect your own retirement first. So the same thing goes, the amount of CPF transfer you can make to them depends on how much your loved ones can receive and the amount that you can transfer as well. So there's a cap limit to CPF top up as well. How much CPF savings can I transfer to myself or my loved ones? So over here you can easily check the maximum amount of CPF savings you can transfer to your retirement account. Okay, so if you'd like to know more about the amount shown to a retirement dashboard, please refer to these two links below if you are below 55 or you are 55 and above. So let's look at if you are below 55, any amount of your ordinary OA savings to your special account. Okay, your OA savings after setting aside the current basic retirement sum, the excess you can actually transfer it to your spouse. Okay, or to your parents and grandparents. So if you own a property, you can transfer your OA savings after setting aside the current BRS, provided you can meet the FRS, which is $198,800, with your OA savings, SA savings, and the net amount withdrawn for your investments and property. Okay, so if you do not own a property, you can transfer your OA savings after setting aside the current full retirement sum, which is FRS, and so on and so forth. And if you are 55 and above, any amount of your OA savings and RA savings to your retirement account, you can do a transfer from these two accounts to your RA account. And to your spouse after setting aside your basic retirement sum, BRS. And for those who own a property, the same condition applies to 55 and below. Okay, but there's slight change. If you own a property, you can transfer your CPF savings after setting aside your BRS, provided you already met your full retirement sum with your combined OA saving, SA savings and RA savings. Okay, and if you do not own the property, you can transfer your CPF savings after setting aside your FRS full retirement sum. So what are the top-up methods? So there are various methods you can do a top-up. Basically, number one, you can do an online form, which is for gyro payment or pay now, etc. to do a CPF transfer, okay, or to make cash top-ups via the online form. Secondly, you can also download the CPF mobile app for top-ups using pay now and CPF transfers. And of course, the tip over here is use gyro to make small and regular cash top-up every single month, so that to ensure that your CPF is actually beefed up using cash or your CPF to ascertain that your retirement is on track. So I hope the above topic is beneficial to you. If there's anything you like to inquire, please feel free to drop me an inquiry or to my channel. Alternatively, you may also drop me an email comment, and look out for my next video and drop your comments and queries in this video, and if you'd like to cover other CPF related topics. Take care and see you soon.